Let's take a look at a multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Crestwood Catering has 38 full-time employees and 24 part-time employees who each work 60 hours per month. Is Crestwood an applicable large employer? ALE. That's what we have to find out. Well, how do you determine whether you are an ALE? An ALE, if you have 50 FTE, 50 full-time equivalent employees. So how many full-time do you have? 38. How many part-time do you have? 24. What do? Well, what you have to do is you have to prorate your part-time employees to convert them basically into full-time equivalent. Well, if they work 24 employees, they work 60 hours per month. That's a total of 1,440 hours. And you will take this figure and you divide it by 120 provided by the government, and that's going to give us 12 FTEs. So those 24 part-time employees are 12 FTE. Now 12 FTE plus 38 full-time, that's going to give you 50 FTEs, which makes you an ALE. And once you become an ALE, you become subject to the Affordable Care Act. What should you do now? Whether you are an EA, CPA exam, accounting student, the best way is to invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, a multiple choice true false exercises, AI resources, and the next session we would look at the penalty. But you want to invest in yourself because that's the best investment you can make. Best of luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.